Let's get a little up to date here. As you can see in last night's video, Gage, you had them screaming and yelling, talking about my apartment. Now I gotta move, my landlord, who they know, what kind of facts they got. But I think those who really know Richie and up in the video games, I think we all know I moved about a month ago, and I get them up. And we all know that I'm talking off the indoor Fire Stick base antenna, about 5 feet off this roof, somewhere around Eastern Parkway, and we'll say like between Albany and, I don't know, Utica somewhere. Or somewhere between Easton and Empire, Albany and Utica, somewhere up in there. No disrespect, Doc, but I'm the black sheep of that family. My family's a mobbed up piece of shit. I'm the black sheep of that family, but it'll never be and remain the fact. I still am little Richie Cappy, the most feared Richie in the Richie family.
To a guy in Brooklyn over here, man. He was a cop. And they kept messing with him, what? You have a hard time filling the paperwork. I'll go with you, man. I got your back. I say, Richie, come on, and I'll pay you, Richie. I'll pay you just to have this guy off the goddamn radio. Let him sit in the goddamn bullpen with a goddamn Dixie cup talking to the guy down the next spot. Show now, Richie. Hey, let him sit out there and find hey, Richie, why is he jealous? Hey, Richie, I'm going to man to sit back and assure me and you and play us on the Watergate about me and you being lovers. You're the slave and I'm the master. And you tell me what to do. Hey, Richie, this is what they call a goddamn gutter snipe. What do you call one little bitch ass sucker that plans to do something to you, Richie, and don't make the effort to come around there and do it. Hey, Richie, you had a goddamn a room up there, you had an open door. Hey, Richie, you had an open door like an unbounding door. If he was a fucking man, he would have went the fuck upstairs and pulled your ass down, kicked you down the stairs and kicked your ass and went the fuck back home. Hey, Richie, he ain't gonna do nothing. He ain't gonna do nothing. You just talk, Richie. You want everybody around the radio to know how big bad guy he is. Well, back in his day. Hey, Richie, I would have really kicked your ass. Hey, Richie, this guy say last night. Listen to what you say. Dr. Love, you ain't gonna do shit. All you want to do is be Richie's bulletproof vest. He said, you can take this bullet too. He said, if I catch that motherfucking in the gas station, I'll slap the shit out of him and keep on stepping. Hey, Richie, this guy making threats.
Hey, Dr. Love, no disrespect, Dr. Love, but I am little Richie Cappy. And you know what the problem is? I believe you might be talking about CK, or Big Man, or the Punk Bill. But I do believe that these people are the ones doing my family bus company radios. Because when you turn on your scanner, Doc, and you listen to the Queens base station that can't talk to its mobiles in Queens or its mobiles in Brooklyn because the base stations in the Bronx and Jersey and Connecticut are taking them right out, it kind of makes you wonder why I'm the most feared technician, why I'm the best in radio. But Dr. Love, I am the black sheep. And what I did for my Uncle Richie in '96 was a little show and proving. Well, Dr. Love, I'm going to give you a frequency later for your scanner. I thought Channel 31 and I thought the Citizen Band had the worst sounding base stations and mobiles in New York City. But I was wrong. Hey, yo, Dr. Love, you know what the problem is? I think you might be talking about CK, Doc. So what I want you to do is the next time you talk about CK, tell him like this. Stop trying to convince me. You are stuck in this frequency. Let him know he's stuck in this frequency thing. Let him know that the technician voice coming out of his radio fill it up so good that I got under his skin. Let him know he ain't nothing but a microphone gangster. Well, guess what? That piece of big man shit over there on Ralph Avenue, you know what he did, Doc? He went crying to a real Ralph Avenue boy. And you know what that boy, Johnny Boy, told him? He said, oh, little Richie Cappy leaves bodies in his wake. Back off. If him and my family don't fuck with Richie, there must be a reason. I'm the cop their mother warned them about, Doc. I'm the government pit bull. I'm the United States President's personal pit bull. And when push comes to shove on New York, on USA land, I'm number 2 in command. Let's get it on.